What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we have the all-new Ferrari 296 GTS, a convertible with hybrid V6 supercar power. Now, just in June of 2021, it brought us the first Ferrari badged V6 supercar, and now we're getting acquainted with its more practical sibling. No, there aren't any additional cargo areas in the two-seat cabin, but you can now take the roof down for a limited headroom. Yes, the 296 Gran Turismo Spider or GTS is here to soak up the sun, but better than the 296 GTB. In typical Ferrari fashion, it gets a retractable hardtop, RHT, which largely maintains the look for the coupe when it's up. Now, the folding roof needs about 14 seconds to go up or down while the vehicle is traveling at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, 45 kilometers an hour. Now, you press the button to lower the top and the roof will split into two sections that fold flush over the engine bay. Now, courtesy of a window in the rear section, you can still admire the 3-liter V6 making 663 horsepower on its own. Working together with an electric motor, the Ferrari 296 GTS produces a massive 830 horsepower, 610 kilowatts, and 740 newton meters, 546 pound-feet of torque. Now, it's enough for the plug-in hybrid to punch in a 0 to 62 or 100 kilometer time in just 2.9 seconds with a 124 mile per hour, 200 kilometer, 7.6 second time. And flat out, the electric convertible from Maranello will do over 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers. Now, when you switch to electric power, the top speed drops to about 84 miles per hour, 135 kilometers. And being the convertible, 1%ers will probably be worried about the weight penalty over the coupe. After all, a folding roof, especially a hardtop, adds complexity since the body reinforcements have been made to maintain rigidity. So the 296 GTS gets a dry weight of 1,540 kilograms, 3,395 pounds, provided it's fitted with the optional Assetto Fidiano package. Now, doing the math, it makes the Italian Spider about 70 kilograms, 154 pounds heavier than its coupe sibling. And much like the version with the fixed roof, the new 296 GTS has an all-electric driving range of 15.5 miles, 25 kilometers, courtesy to a 7.45 kilowatt battery pack. As with the coupe, the mid-engine cabrio uses the same dual-clutch 8-speed automatic transmission installed on the SF90 Stradale and Spider, as well as the Roma and Portofino. Now, the 296 GTS is not the only debut planned for this year by Ferrari, as in just a few months, we'll get the new Purosangue SUV. But with that said, what do you guys think about the new drop-top 296? Let me know, would you guys rather have a top or the missing roof? Drop those comments down below, and if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the debut of the new Ferrari 296 GTS. Now, with that said, if you guys enjoy what I do here and want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Hey, I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You guys want backpacks, you want Kango hats, t-shirts, stickers, leggings, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.